kids are so stressed up with online studies. Do you feel stressed up, Ahmed? Yeah, see, so even parents must be so stressed up, right? So as a teacher, I will train my student like to help him and to attain or achieve difficult postures. So as a parent, your job is also to train them wisely and also introduce them in early age so that they get the healthy lifestyle habit, and also you bring them more creativity. They have young minds, so they can be more creative in their practice. Yes, Emma, do you think that while doing the asanas you become more into yourself, you bring more creativity? Yeah, so see, he does that creative asanas also. So as a, like, you know, as a kid, after 7 age of years, they become more flexible. They try to understand that what is going on, or what teacher is teaching, or what my parents are teaching me. So it helps them to bring the inner talents. So as a teacher, I am going to push him, and as a student, he is going to demonstrate for me. So I hope you will enjoy this session of a teacher and student, and let's see how it goes. And we are going to take 5 asanas and one his favorite asanas. So let's see. So friends, we'll start with the first asana, that is Paschimottanasana, forward bending. So Ahmed is going to, who is just 9 years old, and who is going to demonstrate for me, and I'm going to command, and as a teacher, I will try to push my student to reach there into the asana. Also, like Paschimottanasana is very good for the children who want to grow their height. It also helps their to strengthen and lengthen their muscles. It improves their spine flexibility also. So let's begin, Ahmed. Yes? Okay, let's start. So just turn this side and stretch your legs out. So we'll start with the first asana. Take a deep breath in, hands up, and breathe out. Look in front and give a good stretch. See, what happens is, while sitting in one place, your children get very tired. Their legs and their spine gets too stiff. And also, if they are playing football, or they are doing cricket, or if they are doing some other sport activity, this helps them to lengthen their hamstring. So I'll be pushing him from the back side of the spine, the lower spine. So in case if you want to improve your children's flexibility, you can use your palm and try to push them and challenge them with this. Stay for 5. Yes. 4. Good. 3. Hold. 2. And 1. Slowly coming back. You okay? Yeah, fine. Relax. So I think Ahmed is fine with this, the first asana. Now, the second asana we will be doing is split. And I am very sure the kids do feel pain in that the hamstrings and the inner thighs. Let's see, and let's have this. And you can also do this as a fun game, like, you know, fun challenge with them, fun loving. So when you are pushing them and pulling them, it helps them to improve their inner thighs muscles. So let's do it. Let's begin. So Emma, try to open your legs. So you need to place your foot inside. Okay, so let them try to open the legs and grab their forearms. It's very tiny, so you have to be little easy first and just keep pulling. 1. How is it, Ahmed? Are you feeling okay, or you're feeling painful? Yes? Okay, very nice. See, he's flexible, so he can reach up to the ground also. Let's see. Try to hold your toes, and wow, amazing, amazing. See, he's flexible kid, so he can touch his head, but few kids or children can't touch the ground. Just keep trying this every day. Very nice. 5, hold. 4, 100 count tak. 3, 2, and relax. 1. Very nice. How you're feeling? Good? Very good. See, he's feeling good. I hope your kids and children will also feel great. Very good. Now we are moving to the third asana, that will be back bending. And kids love back bends. Seriously, do you love it, Emma? Back bends? Yes, back bends are, they are, you know, like it will help them, their nervous system, their brain, it helps in the memory. Also, it improves their flexibility. Since they are children, they are very tiny and they are very, you know, they are very sharp and they are very adaptable. So whatever you teach them, they will adapt and they will grasp it very quickly. So let's do it. Okay, lie down on your stomach. So Pella will just rest your head down, forehead down. Both the palms should be closer to their chest, feet together. Inhale, saas bharte hue, just bring your head up. So they will just lift till their stomach, okay? Look up and you just need to push their shoulders. Yes, how you feeling, Ahmed? Good? Okay, nice. So what will happen? Their spine flexibility will happen, great. And then now bend your knees. See, he can touch his toes. Yes, very nice. So this is a very good and challenging one. Like also it will help them to improve their blood circulation and their flexibility, and they will stay there for as many time they want. And the moment they feel, oh yes, I'm tired, and then they can just relax. Very good. Chalo, let's hold for 5. Let's hold 5. Good. 4. Nice. 3, 2 and 1. Relax in child's pose. Relax kar do, child's pose. Yes. So after they are done with the back bends, they just need to relax this hip. So you can just little massage their spine so they don't feel too much of pain. Yes? Okay. Wonderful. Till now, it's amazing. Like this kid is amazing. It's a blessing. Actually, he's practicing since now, I think 2-3 months. Yes, Emma, you are practicing since 2 months, right? Yeah. So since 2 months, he's been practicing and see the results. So the more you need to train your kids from now. So the fourth asana, what he's going to do it and will be palm balance. Even the kids love to be on their palms because since they are very young and energetic, they want to be little energy kind of yoga postures. So let's do it. Yes? Okay. So first thing is come on your palms. So first they will do this much. And then try your kid to just try them to push their legs up. Just kick up. Kick your leg. This way they will keep practicing every time because they love doing all this activity. And then what you can do as a mother or as a teacher, you can just hold their legs. Now lift your leg. And as a parents, you can help your kid to hold this posture. Hold your abdomen. Yes. So in this, they will improve a lot of strength in their arms and it improves the blood circulation. Also, it's a kind of a challenging posture. So it helps your kids to be more like, confident about themselves. Very good. Relax in child's pose. Relax. Rest, rest. Rest your head, rest your spine. So whenever they do any kind of inversion posture or any kind of back bends, let them do relaxing forward bending so that they can relax their blood circulation and cool down their circulation. Good. He's become so red. Do you see? Nice. Amazing. Excellent. Superb. So now we are going to do the last asana, which is his best asana, which he will be tell us later. But I had given him a challenge like long back. So it was like 1 month ago I had told him to do some challenging posture. So he actually worked on it. Like day and night he was just practicing, and I will ask him which is his favorite pose. So Ahmed, what is your favorite asana?
My favorite asana is crow pose.
Yeah, so crow pose, like so you can imagine your kids have so much to do. They are so talented. They are like, they have that superpowers and the energies. But only thing is, as a parent or as a teacher, you need to guide them and they will be the best. Yeah. So let's do it, crow pose. Yeah, show me how you have practiced. So he had actually practiced every day to attain this asana, and he can actually hold this asana for 1 minute. You see, now he will not move. Nice. Just stay there. Good. You can see his hands, his concentration is so powerful. So he's focused in this pose and he can stay for more than 30 seconds. Very good. And you can relax. Very nice, Ahmed. Bahut acha. Very good. He actually attained this pose and this is his favorite asana now. He didn't knew like a month ago that how to do this pose, but he actually was so curious and he was asking, Miss, how to do this pose? And I was like, okay, this is a technique and it's his effort. So thank you, Ahmed, for joining me. So I hope you enjoyed the duo of teacher and student. So I will see you in my next video. Until bye and stay blessed. Namaste. Yeah, Ahmed, you want to say something? Bye. Bye. Okay, bye.